Yo. All right, guys, we are live. Sir, Patch yourself has joined us already. Wow. Yo, how are you, sir? Of course, I'm in a buy. Oh, yes. Where did you get into your buy? Was it around the 29,241 or did you catch the bottom at 29,215? Third candle from the bottom, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you had like the wick down and then a push up. Ibrahim, do you know what? You're going today because you're annoying me, because we're not selling signals. No one's trying to really recover from losses right now. Bear with me, guys. I just need to blow my nose. 1 second. All right, guys, we are back. Missed on the sell today. Yeah. The pre-London session sell. Or were you trading through the Asian session as well? What did it say? Keep your live engaging, turning your camera off, showing the static images of being away for too long periods may result in live becoming ineligible. What are you talking about? There is no static camera and I was only gone for like a couple of seconds. This is what I don't like about TikTok. Thinks that you're not engaging. What are you talking about? I'm engaging all day long. What I need to find out is how to remove Give me tips when you think it's gonna reverse. What reverse to where? To the downside. Because on the higher time frame we're bullish, retracement, pushed up, retraced down, pushed up, breaking structure to the upside, massive retracement to the downside, couldn't break structure to the downside, and it is pushing up. So might just keep going up, man. We don't know. Okay, using the clear display. I'm just trying to find out how to remove the likes on the front of my camera, the images that I'm getting on my side. If you just bear with me a moment. I have a new way to move my stop loss. Are you moving your stop loss yourself or are you automatically trailing your stop loss? Every time one. Thank you very much for following, Ty. It was Ty something. Ty and Ganu something. Sorry, mate. Thank you for following. Every time one good bullish candle close, I move my stop loss one candle above. Okay. Are you scalping then? On what time frame are you moving that candle on? No. So you're trailing your stop loss on the 5 minute. Okay. Okay, go to notifications or alerts. My stop loss is at 64, but it was at 300 or something. Nice. Sorry, man. I'm just trying to sort something out on my side for my page, so it makes it look clearer. And then we'll get right into it as soon as we get a few more people joining us. And layout. Okay. So DIY Sean, thank you for liking. It's strange now because I'm not getting the pop-ups on my screen. Before I was getting the pop-ups on my screen. That is so weird. Surpass yourself. Thank you for the 102 likes. Surpass yourself for the 206 likes. Smashing it. Wow. My first time here. DIY Sean, no problem. We're gonna start. If you just bear with me. I'm just trying to figure some shit out on here. I keep getting like messages, pop-ups on my screen every time I get comments and stuff, so I'm just trying to like sort it out all into one place. It don't matter, we can sort that out after. Fuck it, let's just put this here. All right, let's go. Gabriella, thank you for the 402 likes. Smashing it. Longs or shorts? Rui, we don't know at the moment. We don't know. It is going long at the moment, but we don't know if there's going to be some sort of rejection because we've had a massive push to the downside. Rejection possibly could be from this area here, unless it keeps pushing. Then it depends. So let's have a look. 1 second. Yeah, so it could be close to this area here. So guys, anyone else trading with us live right now? Ruby, pretty bullish. Brandy, thank you very much for following. Thank you. Fearless Rose, thank you very much for following. Thank you. Getting some good follows this morning. Excellent. TP at 29397. 29. Thank you very much for following Perfect Tech. FX Tech. all right. Let's see. Right now, price is a bit choppy for my liking. I'm not liking what it's doing. Ooh. I'm not liking what it's doing. Trade Elite effects, you're gonna have to just get blocked because we don't like signals, and you know that. All right, guys. So how many of you are trading Nasdaq live right now? Gabriella with a 1,500 likes. Perfect. Per FX Tech. Thank you very Rahola Hussein. Thank you very much. Per FX Tech is gold. He's got the gold. Yo, thank you very much for the heart. Thank you so much. Oh, wicked. So you're trading gold. What are you in a trade at the moment? On gold. Surpass self. All right, it's tapping the order block and rise, my boy. NQ. You saying the are you talking about the order block on the 5-minute time frame? What you trading? I'm on Nasdaq at the moment. I'm not actually trading right now. I'm just sitting and waiting and watching the markets do its magic. Okay, you're in a sell right now. Excellent. Thank you very much, Ms. Eddie. Thank you very much for following. Let's go. Yes, I'm saying random stuff. It's all right. You carry on saying your random stuff. It's good. It's good. So, yeah, on the higher time frames, we are looking bullish. But that's not to say the market can't do some dumb bullshit. But yeah, we have took liquidity from, it's not completely swept Asian lows, but pretty low to the Asian lows is where it's kind of reversed off from. So I'm just waiting for an entry, and I can't actually see an entry at the moment. So who's trading with us, guys? Who's trading right now? Go to more chat settings. Oh man, TikTok Studio Live is just weird. Just blocks all sorts of shit off and lets you load all sorts of shit up. DIY Sean, I'm just watching the market. No setup located yet. Yeah, same. No setup at the moment. But Surpass Yourself got into a trade and he's doing all right at the moment. I was looking for an entry down here, but I couldn't just make out what the market wanted to do, so I didn't actually go in for the setup, but I should have, because I would have been in and out for today. Hopefully, let's have a look what price would have done from this area. Yeah, I would have been out probably roughly about $700 today. I'm out, but yeah, we're just gonna have to wait. Ride it out till I see a nice clean setup. Then we go again. Fearless Rose. Thank you very much for following. That's Chinese writing. I don't understand it, but thank you very much for following. Or Mandarin. I don't know. I don't know. If you could just put in the comments what it says in English. Fearless Rose and BTC buying profit. Furkan in a buy for NQ. Thank you very much for following, Zach. Thank you. Surpass yourself, Furkan. Yes, that's 2 versus NQ. We're gonna take over. Surpass yourself has just gone straight for the buy here. Let's have a look. What made you take that trade? If we go to the 15-minute time frame, it was absolutely pumping. Kind of a demand zone, order block kind of thing. The fair value gap, which price went into, tapped out of, and went right back into again and respected. So yeah, I can see an area here why you took that entry as soon as you seen rejection from there. But then it was good. I just went on the chart long enough to see what was going on, but then price came here, made this little... Thank you very much, Odeji. Thank you very much for following. Price rejected here. So there's a lot of buyers sitting around this area here. The 2933, 29200, you can just say. Or 2927. Surpass yourself. Where do you have your take profit, bro? Surpass yourself is smashing it right now. But I'm not quite sure what price is doing. It'd be horrible if there was a rejection here right now, because I want to look for buys. It would be nice if there was some good buys, but I just want price to go past this area here. I don't kind of trust price in this area here. I don't really use TP. I trail them, but 29397. That's wicked. Trailing stop loss is absolutely beautiful, especially when you get it right. Yo, my tea's been sitting all this time. It's gonna get cold. And it is gone cold. I can just gulp that in a second, like wow. All right, let's have a look what's happening. Come on, you shitty price. Giving us some fucking dirty chopped up candles. We need some nice price action. Yeah, I've learned from... Surpass yourself. Yeah, I learned from someone. You need to let your wins go and don't restrain them with take profits. Yeah, that's right. So the saying is cut your losses and let the winners run. That's exactly right, and that's how it should be. Sometimes you just got to let the fucking trade play out. So, and obviously it'll retrace, it'll come down, it'll go up, it'll come down, it'll go up, it'll come down. But if you catch it at the right entry, then you let your trade run and you don't just take a stop loss. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, I know what you mean, but I just love it to have a TP. Yeah, sometimes it's just your own way of trading. So it's your own game plan. Sometimes, as long as you got a good win rate and your take profit is probably a good size compared to your stop loss, it's nice. Straight away, sometimes when price comes and hits your take profit, it's nice. You feel like, yes, we've got to the finish line. It hits stop loss all the time, so it'd be nice for it to hit take profit as well, wouldn't it? But the right thing to do is let your winners run. If you can let your winners run, it's awesome. But if you're hitting 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, trade win risk to reward ratio. So if you're doing 1 to 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5 win rates, then sometimes it's okay. Just let your take profit hit, get in and out of the markets, and you're okay. Furkan, just put in a TP and don't looking at the charts anymore. Yeah, so set and forget. That's set and forget. I don't know what that says. El Guapo. Is it selling or buying on US Tech? US Tech, guys, is the NASDAQ. Currently, we're pushing up. So if you look at your 30-minute candle, look what it's done. This is your 30-minute candle. It's pushed up and pushed up. Yeah? And now, if you look at the 1 hour candle, look at that. It's completely inverse this fair value gap here. And it's pushed up. So what you got to do, you got another 8-9 minutes, wait for this candle to close and price can continue pumping. So surpass yourself might be killing it right now. It's all about your technical analysis and how you're trading and your game plan. But if I go against the trend, then I would definitely use TP. Yeah, backhand, just put in TP and don't look at charts anymore. Set and forget. Backhand, if you're not gonna look at the charts, then TP is good. Yeah, that's true. TP is good. But then again, if you're not gonna look at the charts and you come back and your stop loss has been hit, then man's are gonna be crying as well. And then entering into a revenge trade straight away, oversizing, maximum lot size, trying to make back the fucking win with just a TP that big. I trailed today, but I was like, was full TP normally, but because the trailing just 70%. Surpass yourself, backhand, that's risk trailing. Then you make 2 to 3 times more on your TP and a good day. This is a nice conversation between Faircan and Surpass. Now, sometimes I just don't look at games and letting the positions run. Faircan to Surpass, are you profitable with that, bro? This is good, guys. Sometimes it's good education by listening to reading other people's conversation, because from the conversation itself, you can start picking up bits and bobs on how they're trading, and that's education in itself. Surpass yourself. I just started a trailing a week ago, so I need to learn how to trail correctly. Surpass yourself. There's different ways of trailing stop losses. So basically, let me just give you a quick example. So there is, let me just tell you, let me get my favorite path tool out. Okay, so you guys can see this much of my screen, so that's good. So basically, there's ones where you trail after every candle closure. Once the candle's pushed up, like you said, you were trading on the 5-minute. That's okay, that's good, but look where it's got you, so it is pretty good. But then again, sometimes after every candle closure, price can come down and just wick you out and then continue back up. So what some people do is they wait for every few candles and then do it, but then that's even worse because you can get stopped out with the retracement. So I know a lot of people that that trail their stop loss like this. So just say price moves up, yeah, then price retrace down, then price moves up again, then you get some sort of retracement again, then price moves up, because obviously it moves weird. Price never really moves in a straight line, does it? It moves like all over the fucking place. So now let me get the other drawing tool out, because you know we love our drawing tools. So just say you entered here, price pushed up, yeah, you've got some sort of fair value gap or something here, or whatever you've got here. Price pushes up, retraces down, then price pushes up again. What some people do, once price is pushed up after that first leg, they put their stop loss here. Thank you very much, Clax Synth. Thank you very much for following Clax Synth. Yeah, so when price pushes up, retraces, and then price pushes up again, they put their stop loss under that first that first, they trail their stop loss under the first retracement. Then they wait for price to push up again. Once price comes into a retracement again and pushes up, breaking structure to the upside, so it's broke this structure again like it did there, then you would trail the stop loss there again. Then you keep doing it until price comes, and now you can see here price came back, boom, hit the stop loss there, maybe retrace a little bit more, and then price pushed up again. Some people do it like that. So it's all, there's different ways. And then there's another way where you trail your stop loss. Let me just clear the charts again, sorry, because this is messy. Remove drawings. Then there's ones where you do automatic trailing stop loss, but they're systems that you have in place. So you can set it, once price goes up an X amount, your trailing stop loss will follow your price by X amount of pips or X amount of points. So if price goes up, it trails like this. Bro, lol cakes, I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you and Leroy. Good morning, my friends. And where's A7 Medino? I'm in Qureshi. How you doing? Nas going to the moon. Yeah, that's what it's saying, man. Especially after this 1 hour candle that's formed in the last 30 minutes. Well, the last 1 hour now. Sorry, time's gone quick. Look at that. That's the past 1 hour. So it can be going to break structure here. So anyway, guys, let me just tell you what the fuck I did last night. Let me just tell you guys. You guys are gonna fucking laugh. You're gonna be like, mate, you're a dickhead. All right. Leroy, take trade today. Yeah, bro, I just fucking missed this trade because of the dumb shit that I had done yesterday. Lol cakes, I'm up 1.2 this week on my accounts. Lol cakes, I am not your friend right now. Stop rubbing salt on the wound, brother. GM Traders Gold Master. You're blocked. Surpass yourself. Haha. Me too. Got broken. No, guys, mine was an absolute shit mistake. Yeah, we're waiting for nice price action, and I'm Carmavelli, thank you very much. Sorry, my bro, haha, but losing weeks are part of fun. They are, but my mistake was fucking shit, bro. So I was guys, all of you lot listening, so you can just laugh at me. All right, yeah, so I was basically doing good all week. You can ask Leroy. Leroy's been trading live, so he knows how it's been going. We've been doing good, and we've been executing some trades, missing some trades, but then actually pointing the trades out that we've missed. I got 3 funded accounts. I passed 3 accounts, and I was funded on 3 take profit trader accounts that I was copy trading. So even if I'm copy trading one, guys, so if you don't know what copy trading is, if you have one account and then you copy trade on the rest of the accounts, your profits or your losses go across onto all accounts. So anyway, I was copy trading 3 accounts, 3 funded accounts, by the way. And do you know how I trade micros? So I trade micros, just say around about sometimes with this much stop loss or whatever, risking about $250 to $300 or whatever. So yesterday I was trading micros, and then come in the evening time after New York session, when I was finished for the day, I thought, let me just go on the charts and have a look at what's going on. I seen a setup, and I wasn't on micros, I was on minis. So instead of 3 micros at that point, because price changes and it gets volatile, so you have to drop down in size, instead of putting 3 micros on, I put 3 minis on. And then I realized, oh damn, my mistake. So I pressed the X like that whilst I was in the trade, but I didn't press the X on closing the trade. I just pressed X on the stop loss. So the stop loss cleared and price just went down. Literally, it went down like about that much. And that was $1,500 because I was on 3 minis and not fucking 3 micros. And it just went boom. And it's just like literally, yeah, ouch. It was horrible, bro. And I blew all 3 accounts in one fucking go. Yeah. So I blew 3 motherfucking accounts in just like one shitty mistake that I made. Bro, I had the same but at gold. Blow 2 accounts. It's horrible, bro. It's horrible. Yeah, daily loss limit though, right? Not blown. No, lol cakes. Take Profit Trader doesn't have a daily loss limit, so it just went $1,500. I was only on the one account was 25k, so there were 3 25k accounts, exactly the same accounts. $1,500 was the max loss limit, and it just boom, it went past it. I think because I was already like in about $400 or $500 profit, I think it went down to about $2,000 and just blew me out. But it was literally like just one wick because price was moving so fast, and I closed it, but I closed the stop loss and not the fucking trade. It just bombed me out. Oh my god, you need to move to Apex and Tradify, bro. Get that built in. Daily loss limit. TPT is legit though. Yes, it is legit. Yes, it is legit. But when it comes to trading, you shouldn't be doing shit mistakes like that, should you really though? So 1 minute candle and bye-bye. Top Step good too. Yes, they are good. Yeah, I've had a few problems with Top Step, but they are good. They are good. They're all good. I've not had any problems with the futures. We used to get a lot of complaints with the CFD prop firms. Never had no problems with the futures. So this morning when I came into the markets, now obviously because I fucking, let me just get my trade syncer out, just make sure that's working correctly right now. So what I did was, let me just sign into it, then I can show you guys. Okay, yeah. So I wasn't logged into it correctly anyway, so that's fine. So even if I did take this trade this morning, it would have just run on one account and not all 5. Tamori, thank you very much for following, Tamori. Yeah, so guys, it happens though. If you trade went your way, you'd be hitting consistency issues though. No, bro, if it went my way, I was funded. So funded, you can make as much as you want and you get daily payouts. That's the difference, man. That's why Take Profit Trader is the killer. Yeah, so if it went my way, you don't have consistency once you pass your Take Profit Trader accounts. Once you go past the trailing drawdown, the buffer, the $1,500 buffer, once you make it, you're just profit. It's just a 20-80 split and the money's yours. Yeah, so I'm back on the evals again. I'm back on the evals. Back on the evals again. Thank you very much for following. Akash, thank you very much. 1 second. Leroy said how. So you back on Leroy. Laffy Taffy thought the same. Leroy, I don't know what you said how to because my chat's all fucked at the moment. It's not showing me the top of the chat. Faircan. Oh, he's Surpass is still chatting to Faircan. Laffy Taffy at Faircan. I'm jamming over here. I love the chat. Everyone just chats to each other. It's fucking awesome. Thank you very much for following. Who was that? That was somebody. Where were you? Who was it? Someone followed. Still time too long. Lewis Jr. Laffy Taffy. It's a 10 a.m. where I live music killing me. How is the week, bro? Good profit. If you're talking to me, Leroy, yeah, good profit, but fucking 3 blown accounts now, so I'm back on the evals. Comfort Zone, hello again. Hello, Comfort Zone, how are you doing? It was me, Laffy Taffy. I'm in Crashy. Somebody stop Naz. Is going to the Mars now. I know. Tell me about it. Surpass, you from Netherlands. Surpass, Leroy. Yes. Oh my God. 2 people from Netherlands. See how that's going. Yo, Leroy. Laffy Taffy, are you in a trade? Laffy Taffy. I entered a trade down here, but I took it out because I blew my accounts yesterday. So I was just I wasn't quite sure if all my funded accounts were synced, but luckily, let me just take you over to my funded accounts quickly. Not my funded now, my evals, because I've started again. If you just look, so I've got my 5 evals set up. I took my trade right at the bottom today, but then I closed the trade because my all my evals weren't syncing together at the same time. But had I let the trade run, one of them would have got consistency profit for today anyway. But I wanted all 5, so I'll just have to sit out on the trade now. Backhand, no, of course not. I wouldn't be here. Lol cakes, bro. Why not just go 50k evals? By the way, the 25 just feels quite small drawdowns. Yeah, it does feel small drawdowns, but I'm risking $250 to $300. So I get a good like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I get a good seven shots before the before the accounts blow. But I fucking blew it in 1 shot last night. But yeah, that's what my problem was. But yeah, I could go over to the 50, but I thought to myself, if I'm making like if I'm making good profits, say now, just say I'm making $700-800 a day, and then if I can just copy trade that onto 3 other 25Ks, then that's a lot of money once you copy traded it. So it was just working out better and spending less on challenges. I need to get some 150s going eventually. Yeah, bro, you will. You've leveled up, so you can, bro. Leroy. Yo, Leroy's talking some different language here. Jagu bro, lekre week. .neto. Bitch, you okay? Yo, secret conversation, man. Telling us we're gonna fuck Danny up. He don't know how to trade. He just blew his accounts. Backhand could have been so much more. I need to start trailing, I guess. Yep, you do. Surpass yourself. Chart wanted me out the bullish party. When I went up again, I got kicked out. Surpass, you done very well today. Well done. Well done. You deserve a round of applause for your trading. For your trading today and your stop loss, you've done very well. Leroy. Gatro better man ben you est and begrebin. Ho, ho, he called someone a ho. Ik profits pack. Oh, he's called someone a ho and he's being racist at the same time. Ik track ok trades nu. No, that's Surpass telling Leroy. Leroy called you a ho in the conversation. It's gonna break 440. Surpass yourself. Oh, this is absolutely brilliant. This is A+ setup on me, bro. Trade on chart. Killed it. M007, thank you very much for following. You know how it goes. You know. Bro. He just smashed it. He smashed it. He literally caught. So my trade, I was here. And I took it out straight away because I wasn't copy trading. Look, Surpass to Furkan. I do, but we need to be dramatic to cheer up on chat. Yeah, it's good, man. It's good. Should have a laugh. Chat. Then you meet different people here. Look, 2 people from Netherlands have bumped into each other. How random is that? Danny, learn trading micro or mini and don't blow 3 accounts. Trust me, bro. Bro, but look at this, yeah. Price is bombing. Bombing. Man, I should have just left my trade to go. At least I would have fucking passed one of them today. But look, yeah. Leroy, check this, yeah. Because I fucking blew my 3 funded accounts yesterday. I was like, fuck this. I came back, yeah, with 5 evals copy trading. I was like, yo, I'm gonna make my 3 back that I lost and the 2, and I'm gonna make that money back. So by next week I'll be getting the payouts for them. But when I took my trade, only 1 was working and the rest weren't copy trading, so I closed it. And had that been copy trade been working this morning, I would have took that whole thing. But obviously when you're in the copy, when you're on take profit trader, on the challenge there's consistency, isn't there? So if you're on a $1,500, if you're on a 25k account, you can't make more than $750 a day until you passed. And then once you've passed your funded, you can make as much money you want a day. 19407. Let's have a look what account that was. So yeah, that is the main account that I've got on here now. So that's good. Anyone else gonna end up trying to take a buy from the top? It looks like we're gonna go higher to break structure to the upside. Possibly. Looks like you'll be breaking structure to the upside. So if it came lower, could actually take a trade. Could actually try to take a trade if it came lower. Leroy, haha, big player. Trust me, man. I hate losing. Leroy, fair can, yes, full time. I'm in Qureshi, took $50 each in 5 TPT Pro, yay. I'm in Qureshi, killing it. Fair can, Zani, you're always live on London session, bro, every day. Every day I make friends every day on this. It's absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much, Furkan, for following. Mr. Antrobos. Antrobos, hit the follow button. What are you trading? We are trading NASDAQ, Mr. Antrobos. Asta, thank you very much for following. Killing it. Absolutely killing it. Do you know what, yeah? N. Look on the 5 minute. I caught the bug on my eval and made $561. Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Look at this! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just wanted, all I was fucking saying, I just wanted a little bit of a tracement, just a little bit lower, and I said I'll take the buy. There, that's me. That would have been me fucking past my consistency for today. In 1 minute, in a 1 minute motherfucking candle. That's how the price is booming right now, guys. Fuck. And now next time I try to take the buy, price will fucking go against me. Oh, mate. Just like that, energy, you deserve a follow. Thank you very much. Leroy, me too, but you know my statistics. Off the last day. Yeah. Leroy's just killing it. I'm in Qureshi, past 2 more TPT evals. Damn. Just hit that TP. Miss Eddie, killing it, guys. Killing it. Bro, I fucking, oh my god. I was waiting for it. I just needed a little bit more of a retracement. Man, I would have been in. Burkan, nope, you didn't got filled by 3 points or less. Not that much. Danny, stick the game. Trust me, bro. Trust me. But right now, you know, after me losing my 3 accounts yesterday, well, I want to do fucking anything to get my accounts back on track, because paydays are different, ain't they? When you're taking money out from the markets, it's different. It's like we ain't got time for you, mate. Don't phone me. Surpass yourself, bro. Don't say anything. I'm sad and I did not trailed. Oh, do you know what? That's why I tell everybody the markets are not going nowhere. So don't worry, don't stress, don't chase. But shit like this, you gotta like get one in, you get me? But there's no like heavy retracement or nothing. But yeah, that's what I say to everyone: don't chase, just let the markets play out, wait for your game plan, and then go in. Then you're good. Going to surpass to fair can, going to the gym, you go all out, go out, stop loss, put random limit on your TP. Guys, we got so many of you on right now. How many of you are actually trading? And if you are trading, what instrument are you trading? What pair are you trading? What symbol are you trading? Is it gold? Is it oil? Is it Nasdaq? Is it S&P 500? Are you CFD traders? Are you trading Forex? What is everybody trading right now? Come on, guys. Let's get it in the chat. Bro, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. That was annoying. Miss Eddie smashed it as well. Miss Eddie's on the futures. What? Are you with a prop firm or are you trading a personal broker? I thought 75 points is good to be 200 points. Price is just not moving how I want it to move, but it's moving fast. But it's not moving in a steady, slow, fast kind of. It's just up, little bit up, little bit up. It's not retracing how I usually like it to retrace. And now I'm worried because if it does retrace, is it gonna go against me? Miss Eddie, prop firm, Lucid, passed my eval 2 days ago. Well done, Miss Eddie. So now upgraded to funded. Good girl. You'll be taking payouts soon. Are you profitable trader? Do you regularly take payouts already? Faircan, bro, I'm sad for you because you trailed and got kicked out. Surpass, Faircan, surpass. Stop loss got tickled by the market. Surpass. But you done very well though. You done super. Your price will come lower here. And then steady go up, or would we like to take an entry here, guys? Or is it look like price is pushing down too hard? Ooh, they're danger candles though. Where would I like? Yeah, I think it's gone so far up that the retracement might be slightly deeper. Surpass yourself. It will around 320, I think, go up again, but depends on volume. It goes down. Yeah, that's right. So it could be roughly, you're talking about that demand zone-y kind of thing. No, but you're looking at down here. You're saying 320, so 320 is down here. Yeah, I know what you're saying. You're saying from this kind of retracement, because this is where all the volume came in, didn't it? All the fucking volume came in from this area here. But that was a mad push up, mad. Let's be silent for a minute because you got kicked out. So if I say, yeah. That's funny. 1 minute silence for getting stopped out. But Surpass, you wasn't stopped out really. You trailed your stop loss. So you was waiting to be hit because you had trailed up quite far up. That was crazy run. Okay guys, so this area here, just be careful now what's going on with price in this area here, because it's taken Asian highs. You just swept Asian highs. So that's, I'm looking at it on the 1 hour time frame as well. So let me just drop down now to the 30 and the 15. Yeah, you've just taken Asian highs there. So if you look at the chart now, there's a 30-minute time frame. Look at what that's done. This blue box here is the Asian highs, yeah? It's just swept Asian highs and pushed down. So is it going to continue pushing down, or that doesn't look like it would be a retracement, because candle closure on the 30-minute needed to be above here, and then we could have said, okay, that's broken structure to the upside. So, but you still got 8 minutes for that 30-minute candle to close, and in 8 minutes anything can happen. So let's have a look. I'd be a good student. Leroy, DM me. Come on, man. What the fuck's going on? I'm in Crashy. I'm in with 1 micro from 450 long. Normally I had another short at 450. I looked all accounts. Guys, what do you reckon is going to happen here? Do you reckon it's taking Asian highs and is going to start pushing lower? Is that what's happening, or are we just collecting liquidity, creating more liquidity and pushing up? Exotic reptiles short. Yeah, possibly. Danny gives lessons, not me. Short for the rest of the day till 6 p.m. Is that right? 6 p.m. GMT time. I say short 310, and after that long. I say short if it came into this area here, but possibly, I don't know. I just can't figure out. The market's moving fast. It was fucking, look at that. Look how shit it was moving up until here. Moved so shit. Didn't even get a decent retracement, and price just bombed it up. So was it pushing up that fast to go catch liquidity? Leroy, is that the secret? Sensei you unlock when you finish the game. Hidden gem. Backhand, I love that mark. It moves so good. We need I just gotta let price play out. I gotta let price play out before I make any decisions. Oh mate, that's why always have your points of interest marked out on the higher time frame, because then you know where price is heading. Fuck, I love the market, it moves so good. Exotic reptiles, it's gonna go down to Tuesday lows. Good one, L, break even and 1 win. Well done guys, well done, keep going. Guys, anybody else in the chat trading right now, or are you just watching and just getting tips? If you are trading, let us know in the comments what you're trading. We've got a lot of traders here. We've got experts, we've got advanced traders, we've got new traders, we've got learner traders. We got mixture of everyone with us today right now. Today I lost a trade because I was in the wrong market. I wanted to put sell on MNQ, but I was in GC, like the sell before it went bullish. No, Surpass, did you not say you were trailing your stop loss under MNQ? I'm confused now. We tapped the 1 daily time frame FPG and went short, so it could still sell for short for today. Laffy Taffy. Laffy Taffy, I got the 287 and out at 419. Well done. You lot all done absolutely beautiful, except for me. What the fuck? But before I joined the live stream, this happened. Oh, okay. But then, thank you very much for following. Thank you, Exotic Reptile. Thank you very much. Surpass. So before the live stream, you lost one. But then once you were on the live stream, is that when your winning trade was, you were already on a winning trade, weren't you? So the one that you got was a winner. Now, am I right? 2 buys and a sell overnight, and now I've got a sell from the top. Well done. Laffy Taffy, I wish you could have caught the long. I know, I wish. But it doesn't matter. Trading's trading. The markets are there every day. The markets are not going nowhere. So, yeah. As long as we keep coming back and trading safe and not blowing accounts like I blew account yesterday, we'll be totally fine. And it's funny how everyone in the chat went long, got a win. I know, everyone in the fucking chat. Gambler, thank you very much for following. Furkan, everybody in the fucking chat went long, got a win, except for the one who's fucking on video on the chat that didn't get shit. Fucking 70 points retracement downside. I'm in. The past itself. Yeah, I lost one because I analyzed that trading view, but I thought I was in MNQ, so I made a mistake. Oh, okay. Then one in MNQ. Yeah, you smashed it, bro. Exotic Reptiles. Do you use anything? Use fib from this week's lows. Yeah, I use fib, but I use them on the lower time frames. I don't use it on the weekly time frames or anything like that. I just wanted to say the same thing. Let's be silent for a moment for you now. Listen, man, I'm gonna start crying right now. Look at this, yeah. If you can't, I don't think you can see the whole thing. Account summary. Okay, so I don't think you can see that. Let me have a look. So here, account summary, total profit, because I closed my trade because my other 5 weren't copy trading, so I just fucking closed it. So that was at $24. I closed it at, yeah. So that's fine. We're in profit on one account, $24, but I wanted it copy trading on 5, so I closed my account. So it says net liquid 25294. What the hell is that about? So does it not tell you where I actually entered that fucking trade? Would it tell you here? So that's just the market sell, stop loss, take profit. They're the ones I closed, but not, I didn't actually put them trades on. So it was this buy here. Yeah, so this was the buy. So guys, if you look here, if you can see at the right at the bottom, because these 3 are the top 3, they're not trades I entered. They're the ones I was just putting a limit sell on like that just to check. And as you see, every time you put one of them on, it brings it up on here. But here, this one here, the buy limit, I actually put my buy on. Where the fuck is that gone? Oh, here it is. So I put the buy on 29249. So let's have a look. So where is it gone? 29249.75. 29249. 29249. So where's 29? $292. There, it was below. It was before fucking London opening. So yeah, guys, 2924925 is here. There, 249. So this is where I entered my fucking trade, and I closed it at $24 because my account wasn't copy trading, and look where the fucking price went. That is just, that's just shit. Monday, the Discord, right? We can all trade in voice channel. Yeah. 1 second. Let me just get the door. 1 second, guys. I'll be back in 1 second. Yo! Alright, we still got 19 of us. Alright, is the music still live? Yeah, man. Thought there would be a sell-off from here. Fucking missed that as well. Stupid delivery, man. Apex Gold. Listen, man, we don't want signals. We're doing so well here right now. All of us. We're missing accounts. We're missing trades. Well, I am. Everyone else is smashing it. So let's have a look what this trade would have done. I think what happened was, because I accidentally put on trade for 3 minis yesterday and not micros and bombed my accounts out. I don't know, I think it's messed with my psychology and it's not made me want to execute a trade in real time now for some fucking weird reason. Just shit in my pants for no reason. That's pretty decent. Yeah, Leroy, Monday, the Discord, right? We can all trade in voice channel. Yeah, yeah, I want to put it up. I'm going to put it up. I've got a Discord. I'm just going to check 1 second. Let me load up the app. Downloading about 20 updates. All right, let me see. Yeah, so I have actually got my Discord, but I'm just setting it up at the moment. So let me give you a better view of it. Yeah, so this is the Discord at the moment, and I am setting it up. These are just some of the YouTube videos that I'll just share on there. But then you're gonna have all this on the side. Because I want it to be like a community where we all can share things and everyone can just jump in. And then have a chat on certain of these chats. Because I don't want it to be that everyone can chat on everything, because then it just makes it messy. But I'll have it so that we'll have our success stories. Anyone can like just put up their success, like daily success, what they've done over the month, or if they've come from unprofitable to now being profitable, passing their prop firm. So anything to do with trading success, that will be there. We'll have the cipher chat. This is where we can all chat. The trade, the thesis, where we can break down trades, daily trades. I can just put a screenshot in and just break a trade down maybe, and then we'll have questions, and then I'll have all the discount area where we got all the prop firms and the discounts for the prop firms with like a code or something that we can use. So yeah, that's what I'm setting up at the moment, but hopefully by Monday that'll be ready, and that'd be nice if it is ready by Monday. Okay, second. These random weird messages. So Leroy, yeah, cool. Yeah, that's what I'm setting up, Leroy, at the moment. So hopefully that'll be good. But then it depends, because like, do you reckon slowly more and more people will just start joining, or is it just gonna be pointless? But then I'm thinking it's not going to be pointless, because it's a community for like all us guys. So everybody that joins here, they've got a trading space to go to, and it's free at the end of the day. It's not like we're going to be charging them 50 quid for fucking entry. It's just free. So yeah, I can't figure out where we can catch a trade. So that's another trade missed. So guys, this is how easy it is. Like, if you wait with patience, you can catch trades. So even if price does go like that, it ain't like gone. You ain't missed anything. You just got to wait for either a nice retracement to re-enter again, or wait for stronger candles to push down to catch a retracement to the opposite side. But here
we can't tell what it's doing right now because we've had a massive push up. So then again, after this one trade, you just sit patiently and wait for the next one. So I do that 1 or 2 or maybe 3 times a day. This week I don't know what's been wrong, but this week I know what's been wrong is because I'm chatting to everybody and everyone's putting their analysis on, and I've been like putting my analysis off. So I've not been going with my game plan. Really, this community is for everyone to chat, everyone to share their thoughts, but everyone trading to their own game plan. So Sturpas does his own thing, Leroy does his own thing, Laffy Taffy will do her own thing. Everyone will do their own thing, but you can share ideas. So if you think you're wrong somewhere, you could probably pick up an idea here and there, but then just don't run with someone else's analysis. Do your own analysis and stick to your own game plan. That's what I need to do. And I need to, like, this week I actually won some good trades, but then I missed some absolute bangers for no reason. And then also another one is, make sure when you're trading, and if you are going to trade from your phone, make sure you just get your size and lot size and everything correct, because yesterday I bombed my accounts out that way and that was pretty damn annoying. Markets are moving nice though. They are moving nice. I'm going to be on for another 15 minutes or so, and then that's it. Then I'm going to be calling it a day until 12 o'clock. Then we'll be back at 12 o'clock. We'll see what pre-New York session is doing. So guys, if you don't know, just remember we trade every single day. London session, 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT. And then we come back pre-New York session, 12 p.m. to around about 1-2 p.m. GMT. Every single day, Monday to Friday. So pre-New York session. Shut up. Pre-New York session, that would be Eastern Standard Time around about 7 a.m. And GMT time, that is 12 p.m. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Have a look where we are with the music. All right, let's go. Let's see what's happening now. Nothing. That's how it is. I should have entered it. I should have just put a sell limit on. And I thought, okay, if price comes in there, bomb, I'll be in and out. The sell limits look like this. So I would go for my stop loss just maybe above there, or maybe just above the candle closure. And then take profit would be roughly around about that much, because I can't make more than that for my consistency. And then all you do is you hit sell, and that's your sell limit. And then what you do, you wait for, you don't even have to wait, you could just chill, do what you're doing for the day. But I like to manage my trades, you see, so I'd wait for price to come back into this area, then it'll tap your sell limit, and then it'll go down and it'll hit your take profit. And some people do this, they don't even have to be at the charts, they just mark their charts and put their orders in the right places. And that, whilst the delivery man came, I could have had my sell limit on, and then by the time I came back inside the room, bang, take profit would have already been hit. And it's as easy as that, and it actually is as easy as that, but it's harder to execute that. So it's easy to say but hard to do. So you just got to master yourself. Like, trading's just different. Trading has been the hardest thing that I ever did in my life. Patience is the biggest, hardest thing that I had to do, that I had to conquer. But yeah, other than that, Trading was the hardest thing I actually ever did. The most rewarding thing, but the fucking hardest thing. Because when you're in the losing phase, in the first phase is like the gambling. And then in that gambling stage, you get 1 or 2 lucky wins and you think, oh yeah, I've got it as a trader. And that's where it starts. And that's when it starts spiraling out of control. Because you think you had it and your ego still thinks you've got it, but you ain't got it. You ain't got it until you master it. Leroy, I'm gonna go to relax mode. Speak to you later, Day Danny. Yes, Leroy, thank you very much. Thank you for joining us again, yeah? And we see you later. If you're on at 12 o'clock, you're on at 12 o'clock. If you're not, you're not. But have a good rest, man. Go relax, chill, enjoy yourself. Okay, come in at 12. That'd be great. Thank you. Thank you. See you later. I'm going to shoot off myself in the next 10 minutes. I'm just waiting to see what price is doing. So let's see, guys. This is where I was entering for my trade. Let's get the long position on. I'd probably put it from about there. I'd risk $300. Imagine that. If I had my funded accounts still today, this is the trade that would have been in. What are you trading? I'm on MNQ. This is the highest point it went to. My trade would have probably come out by here, maybe, or maybe here. Probably wouldn't have reached all the way to the top. But again, that is a 1 to 7. So then if we just get the calculator out. So if I was risking $300 and it was a 1 to 7, so I would say that's a 1 to 8 or 1 to 7. Let's just say 1 to 7. So if our reward was 7, so times that by 7, that's $2,100. So if my accounts didn't bomb out yesterday, today I would have made $2,100, because that's the exact area I entered. But then got tapped, then it shoots almost 200 points. Yeah, man. Oh, Deo, you actually got your trade in. Did you make it? I got at 272 because I missed my original entry at around 220, 230. I risked a little bit, then boom. Lewis Jr., we don't know at the moment. It's still just chopping around in this area yet. Yeah, so what happened was I placed this entry, as you can see here, right at the bottom. So if you can see here, you can't see that bit, can you? 1 second. So if you can see here, it was a buy at 29249. 29249 was this purple line I marked out. 29249.25. That's the exact area I went for the buy. Then let me show you guys what I actually did wrong. My trade syncer wasn't working, so I had 5 accounts to copy trade against, but my trade syncer wasn't working. So what I did was I closed the trade. So you can see that one trade I took, it only went up to $24, and I closed the trade because the rest of them weren't working. So it weren't copy trading onto these. Had it had been copy trading onto these, we would have been in good profits today. Good profits. But because I'm back on the evaluation phase, I would have just tapped out at $750, which would have been still around about less than that. So that's a 1 to 2.5. That would have been $750, and I would have been in and out of my trade. Boom. There you go. But shit happens, and then once shit does happen, you don't chase and force trade. Remember that, guys. Got tapped in, then shoots almost 200 points. Break even, got hit. No way, Deo. Then it shoots. I just revenge traded basically and lost. Deo, you revenge traded today. Why did you do that? You shouldn't have done that. It's all a part of a learning experience. Now, what you do, you just go back to the drawing board and you write down why you revenge traded, why the trade hit your break even, did you enter at the right place, and did you force trade, revenge trade, fear of missing out, what were your emotions? You write it all down. If you want a free journal, if you click on the link in my bio, you've got a free journal. So if you click on the link in the bio, it should take you to like a Linktree link. You'll have prop firm discounts and some other things, and then you'll have a market structure, free market structure course, and then you'll have see, look, the second trade would have went in my favor as well. Then you'll have a free journal and some other things. So yeah, because I was pissed, I knew not to. It happens, man. That's all about patience. Once you learn patience, you won't be making them kind of mistakes again. But it will still happen, but it won't happen as often, because slowly you start getting skilled, and then you start knowing how to take them kind of revenge trades as well and force trades. There's a skill to that as well, but that all comes with experience. So yeah, if you want the free journal, guys, just go into the link in my bio, just get the free journal. And let me just give you a quick demo of that journal as well. So the journal will look like, oh, what the fuck? Let me just load it up again, and it will look like, when you get it, the trading journal will look like this. As you can see, this part of the journal I've not used since October 2025, because it got to a stage where I needed to stop journaling my trades because I started understanding what's going on. Yeah, true, I was worse before with emotions. Started futures this year. Yeah, futures is good, man. Futures is absolutely brilliant. CFDs are good as well for Forex and the rest of it, but futures, yeah, they're very, very good. So yeah, this is the journal. Then what you need to do is when you're gonna add an entry in, so you can go sideways, but I always click on open. So this is a new day, so you just click on open, and on the date you can put on today's date, so May 21st. Status: did you have a green day, red day, you lost a trade, was it a playbook entry? No, because you didn't follow the rules. And then setup: what type of setup was it? And then did it have a gap? What was your risk to reward? How much did you risk on the trade? Profit and loss. Game plan: was it towards your game plan? Was it A plus, B low risk, C don't take the trade? Yeah, and then at the bottom you got questions: were you calm, yes or no? And they say yes, and then you write were you calm, then you can write about it. Were you nervous, yes or no? Yes. And then you got why was you nervous, you can write about it. And then once that's done, you can take a screenshot of your trade and look, you've got were you anxious, were you revenge trading, were you fear of missing out, and then you got why. You can write about it. Mistakes and fixes: what mistake did you make today, and then what will you do to not make that mistake again, and what will you do to fix that mistake. So you can write that there. And then you got files and media, and then you could just take a screenshot of your trade with notes on the screenshot, and you can upload it, and it all saves into here, and then it drops into here like that. And then once you want to do a new page, you just click on new, and then that'll give you a new day for the next day. Or you can do that every single trade. So if you take 2 trades in a day, that would, you add 2 entries, and then you just do it for every single trade you take. So yeah, that's a good journal, guys. That free journal in the link in the bio. So if anybody wants a free journal, you could get that from the link in the bio. Just download it, guys. Thanks. No worries. It's coming to that time, 9:56. I'm gonna start wrapping it up now, guys. So I'm gonna be back on again at 12 p.m. I'm gonna get off this live before I do something stupid again. I'm going myself as well. So every day, 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT London session. Thank you very much for following, James. Then we'll be okay. You come back New York session. I probably won't be on the New York session because I come back on pre-New York session. So then what I'll do is I'm gonna come back on 12 o'clock GMT, guys. That's 7 p.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12 p.m. GMT. That's pre-New York session. So that's just about 2.5 hours or 2 hours, 2.5 hours before the New York session opens. We'll be back on live again. So that's in 2 hours from now. So that's every single day, Monday to Friday, guys. You can trade live with us. Hit the subscribe button, hit follow. We're also trading live on YouTube right now. So if you want, you can catch us on YouTube as well. If you want to see the full screen, you can watch the live on the YouTube. So yeah, FX Trader 2024 on YouTube as well, guys. So anyway, before I start looking for another entry, I'm going to shoot off as well, guys. So see you guys again in 2 hours. Stan, thanks, bro. Love from Istanbul. Oh, wow. All the people from around the world. That's amazing. We're getting people from everywhere. Thank you. See you later, mate.